Niue's Miss South Pacific beauty, Vanessa Marsh, is to become the first Niuean ever to judge the Miss South Pacific pageant, which is about to take place in Papua New Guinea over the weekend. Honourable Premier Tokita Langi says he is happy with the recognition from Miss South Pacific organisers.
So I'm very pleased indeed. Vanessa has been an excellent ambassador when she was Miss South Pacific, and now being invited by people who have valued her contribution to the Miss South Pacific pageant. And I'm very, very pleased indeed that she's in Papua New Guinea at the present moment to judge.
Disappointing for the island, though, is that there has been no mention of the achievement and recognition of one of Niue's best assets. Miss Vanessa Marsh, who reigned as Miss South Pacific, was always in the media lenses whenever present for her beauty and articulate nature. One concerned supporter of the beauty pageant said the opportunity for Niue to market to the international market through these events has always been high on the government's agenda, and the Miss South Pacific pageant will be watched by millions worldwide. Niue should have pulled all the stops to make sure Niue stays on the map through regional events like the Miss South Pacific pageant. On another achievement, Miss Vanessa Marsh is set to work as Niue's counterpart to Mr. Hayden Porter in the Tourism Office. Congratulations to Vanessa.